Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to our channel. So in this video we discuss the fascinating world of ancient civilization. So the study of ancient civilization is a captivative journey through time, allowing us to explore the remarkable achievements, cultures, and histories of human societies and excited long before our modern era. These ancient civilizations have left behind a rich legacy of architectures, art, literatures, and technologies advancement that continues to inspiring and inform our understanding of the past. Let's delve into the fascinating world of ancient civilizations and explore some of the most renowned ones. Okay, now the point number first is Mesopotamia. Now, Mesopotamia, located in the fertile Cretaceous between the Tigris and Euphrates River, modern-day Iraq and parts of Iran, Syria, and Turkey, is often of referred to as the cradle of civilization. It gave birth some of the world earlier known civilization, including the Samaritans, Akkadian, Babylonians, and Assyrians. Now, notable achievements include the invention of writing, the first legal code, and advances in mathematics and astronomy. Okay, the next is ancient Egypt. The Nile River Valley was home to one of the most iconic and enduring civilization in history. Ancient Egyptians are known for their impressive pyramids, and belief in the afterlife. Okay, their contributes to mathematics, medical, and engaging are still admired today. Okay, Indus Valley civilization, flourishing in what is now modern day Pakistan and northwest India. The Indus Valley civilization was known for its urban planning, advanced drainage system, and intricate Piotr, and despite its many achievements, such about this civilization remaining a master. Okay, the next is ancient Greece. Okay, ancient Greece laid the foundation for Western civilization. The Greek made significant contribution of philosophy, democracy, literature, architectures, and science. Roman figures such as Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and Alexander the Great played pivotal role in shaping the world. Okay, the next is as ancient Rome. The Roman Empire was one of the most influential civilizations in history, now for its enduring marvels like the Colosseum and aqueducts, its large system and its vast steroid expansive remote left a lasting imprinting on Western culture and governance. Okay, guys, so the next is Maya civilization. The Maya civilization located is Mesoamerica is renowned for its intricate calendar system, hieroglyphics, writing, and impressive architectural sites like Tikal and Chichen Itza. Okay, now the next is Inca Empire. The Inca Empire centered in the Andes Mountains of South America, boast a vast network of roads and terraced agriculture. Their achievements in architecture, engineer, and social organization include the famous Machu Picchu continues to away visitors today. Okay, the next is Han Dynasty. Ancient China Han Dynasty is remembered for its significant contributes to art, significant literal and governments, the invention of paper, advancement in medicine, and the constructions of the Great Wall are among its notable achievements. Okay, now the next is the next is Mesoamerica's Olamia civilization. Okay, the Olemi civilization, one of the earliest in the America, is credited with the creation of colossal stone heads and being a precursor to later communities cultures such as Maya and Aztecs. Okay, the next is last point is ancient Persia. The Persian Empire, with its administered votations and West Tyrolean played a provide role in shaping the coast of Haile. It is also known for its tolerance of various cultures and religions. There are just a few examples of the many ancient civilizations that have left their mark on human history. Each of these society has. So, guys, that's the today's video. Please like this video, comment this video, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Okay, just a wait, please. Just a second.